Dear Diary, I am no longer needed in the brainstorming phase at work. I have been replaced by Confluence whiteboards. People blame me for their sticky notes being forgotten. So to spite them, I left the caps off the markers. But sadly, there has been no change, as there is an online pen. It is unclear why people are so lazy they cannot start from scratch. They demand templates. And they expect some sort of magical wizardry to connect work tasks together. I've tried to garner their affection back, but they've already moved on to their next project. So I provided additional paper. But sadly, the printer is broken and not needed online. They can embed their plans from anywhere. It is ridiculous they expect tedious work like organizing tasks to be done for them. It is obvious I will soon be thrown out. They're moving too fast with Confluence whiteboards.